Tha Taratari Hanjilak Manipur Iranga Sigi, Warus Namapur Namagidamak, Manipur Langak, Nakana Honaduna Lakiva Adugi Mahi Oina, Hayeng, Manipur Assembly Speaker, talks from Saida Barta, Agriculture Minister Thongam Biswajit, Works Minister Gomindas Kontaujam, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Education Minister Thonauza Basanta Koma, MLA, T. Ravindro, MLA Thoksum Radisiam Yauna, Langak Paiba the Yauriba, Maitegi, Minister Amadi, MLA, Naga MLA Amadi, Minister Kayaga Lunina, Kuki MLA, Minister Kara Yauna, Waris Hanaragani. Union Home Minister Amit Shah Gimiyang Makha the Hayeng New Delhi the Pangthok-Kadouri Meefam Parliament ki not block the Pangthok-Labayai Hairi. Delhi ki phong pau yama thajaba yaba pau magi matung ina Hayeng numit ng matung pungama makai tabada Meefam Pangthok-Lakani Hairi. Pau dugi matung ina Hayeng Pangthok-Kadouri Meefam saru yana bagidamag Minister Amadi MLA Kaya Hanadagi Delhi the Laiba Lainaba Yaubagalonena Minister Awangbu Niumai T.S. Basanta Koma, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Rai Sabagi MP, Laisem Sana Jauba Amadi, MLA, Losi Diko, Ngasi, Delegate Imphal Thadokre. Amarom the Hayeng Iwari Sanagadori Meefam Saru Yaga the Basing, Union Home Ministry Degi, Masama Sada, Saru Yananaba, Kangalapa Oibana, Kana Saru Yagani Haiba, Sapsana Haiba Ngamdri, Adamoinamag, Meitei Amadi, Naga Amadi Minister Amadi, MLA Singda, Saru Yanaba, Kangalakiba Singdi, Sapsana Dumak, Meefam Saru Yaraba Yana Lai Hairi. Adamoinamag, Kuki mihut Singi Oinadi, Hayeng Meefam La Oi Haina, Pau Tabas Lai Haina Pau Udunamaka Tarakli. Delegate among Imphal Thadok Tungi Mangwinana, Imphal International Airport, Pong Missing Unabamada, Minister, Awangbong New Mine Fongdok Lambada, Hayeng Wari Sanagaduriba Si, Yamna Faba Kongtang Amani, Adamoinamag, Meefam Asigi, Agenda Karino Haiba, Kangalakpa Laitri Haina, Pongdok Lamki. Nakalamoromda, Mau Assembly Constituency MLA, Losi Dikona, Hayeng Meefam Kaurapa Sina, Irangasi, Lusin Mangamlagani Haibagi, Chowna Tajabalay. Union Home Minister Gimiyang Makada, Sadagadori Meefam Kanglopur Kudimaki, Lusing Basingna, Saru Yafam to Ihaiki. Panbayabadi Taskitang Tarada, construction workers singi, night shelter building ahum, Sangabagi Tauramda, Housing Tokli Iranga Sigi, Warusin Puranaba Fur Masilgi Marakta, Wari Saba Hongnabagi Pau Fangle, Atuba Matamda, Wari Sanaduna, Warusin Purlagani, Langana Warusin Puranabahona Ribasida, Miam Nasu, Sawat Piuhaina, Seminista Nongtoma Bidena, Fongdokiba Lakarbani.
I can't say that I'm representing the Nagas, but we are asked to come to discuss certain things. I don't know the exact agenda as of now, but we'll see what is the actual agenda. And for bringing peace, of course, from day one, we have been trying to explore all means. So let's see.
I'm very hopeful something should come out when the Home Ministry is calling for all the communities, especially the MLAs. I think some meaningful discussion will take place. That's what I'm expecting. And it's a positive approach. The initiative of the Home Ministry, I think it's a very good sign.